Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add fill color or background color to a shape using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I will add fill color to this shape. Now click on this comment option and this select option, click on this down arrow and select annotation and drag your mouse cursor, select your shape. Select it. Now click right button for mouse cursor and select properties option. And properties of see this fill color now dissolve. Click on this quartz option and simply select here in fill color you want to add and see this fill color now added. Also you can add your other color. You can select your custom fill color and select OK and see this. In this way you can add also I'll add this one and select right button, select properties and this is appearance option and this is fill color. You can add any fill color and select close. In this way you can add fill color to your shape and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.